Surprising link between health and wealth, how they influence each other. Diving deeper into this intricate relationship, it becomes evident that health and wealth are inextricably linked, often influencing each other in ways that might not be immediately discernible. Consider the privileges that wealth can bring, from access to top-tier medical facilities and professionals to the ability to afford nutritious foods, engage in leisure activities, or even reside in healthier environments. These advantages inevitably create a foundation for better overall health. Conversely, good health can act as a bedrock for generating wealth. A healthy individual, free from frequent ailments, has the potential to work more consistently, focus better on tasks, and make more informed decisions. Their mental clarity and physical stamina often mean they are more productive, leading to opportunities for wealth accumulation. Moreover, by avoiding frequent medical bills and related expenses, they can save and invest more of their income. In today's video, we will share a surprising link between health and wealth. From wealth to health, a golden passport. Premium healthcare access. In many parts of the world, wealth opens doors to premier healthcare services. The affluent often have the means to seek out specialists, undergo advanced diagnostic tests, and access cutting-edge treatments. With the ability to pay out of pocket or secure high-end insurance, the wealthy can bypass long waiting lists, ensuring timely and comprehensive medical attention. Furthermore, the affluent can afford personalized medical attention, such as hiring private caregivers or nurses, ensuring they receive care tailored specifically to their needs. This personalization extends to treatments as well, allowing them to avail of bespoke medicine plans, genetic testing, or even experimental treatments that might not yet be widely available to the public. Nutritional affluence. Wealth often translates to better nutrition. Those with deeper pockets can afford organic produce, premium supplements, and specialized diets catering to specific health needs. In contrast, economically constrained individuals might have to settle for processed or fast foods, which, although cheaper, are often detrimental to health in the long run. Additionally, wealth allows individuals the luxury of variety in their diet. This means not only enjoying a diverse range of flavors, but also benefiting from a broad spectrum of essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Such diversity can also lead to a more balanced gut microbiome, which plays a crucial role in everything from digestion to mental health. The environment of affluence. The neighborhoods of the affluent are often cleaner, less polluted, and better maintained. These environments offer not just aesthetic appeal, but also contribute significantly to mental and physical well-being. From parks for exercise to reduced pollution levels and community recreational facilities, wealth can buy a setting conducive to health. Education and awareness. Wealth often correlates with higher education levels. This education frequently extends beyond academics to a better understanding of health and wellness. An informed individual can make judicious choices, be it in terms of diet, exercise, or lifestyle, thus fostering better health. To start with, higher education often encourages critical thinking and research skills. These abilities allow individuals to discern between genuine health information and the myriad of misinformation that floods our modern digital age. In a world teeming with fad diets, unproven health supplements, and dubious wellness claims, the capacity to critically assess information sources is invaluable. Wealthier individuals with their superior educational backgrounds often possess the tools to navigate this information landscape effectively. From health to wealth, the silent catalyst. Productivity peaks. A robust health foundation ensures that an individual is often more energetic, focused, and productive. These attributes are highly prized in professional settings, leading to job advancements, increased earnings, and in many cases, entrepreneurial successes. The cost of illness. Poor health often brings with it significant financial burdens. From direct medical expenses to loss of workdays, the financial implications can be vast. Even indirect costs, such as transportation to and from medical appointments, purchase of prescriptions, or home modifications for those with mobility issues, can quickly add up. A healthy individual, by staying away from prolonged medical interventions, not only avoids these direct and indirect expenses, but also benefits from the economic advantages of being active and productive. The positive ripple effect of good health extends beyond just individual savings. It means fewer missed workdays, leading to increased productivity and contribution to the economy. Mental health and decision-making. Mental health plays a crucial role in our decision-making processes. A sound mind can evaluate risks and benefits astutely, especially in financial matters. Investing wisely, avoiding impulsive purchases, and planning for the future are all facilitated by good mental health. Conversely, when mental health is compromised, decision-making can become clouded, leading to potential mistakes or oversights. Stress, anxiety, and depression can heavily influence our judgment, causing us to make decisions that may not align with our long-term goals or best interests. Additionally, mental health challenges can decrease our capacity to consider the broader implications of our choices, emphasizing the importance of self-awareness and seeking support when needed. Longevity and legacy. Good health often translates to a prolonged life, weaving multiple benefits into the tapestry of our existence. Primarily, an extended lifespan means more years of productivity and potentially a lengthier career, giving individuals the chance to accrue more savings, achieve greater professional milestones, and grow their financial portfolio. Moreover, the magic of compounded investments becomes even more pronounced over longer durations, amplifying the potential for wealth accumulation. This additional time and financial growth presents the opportunity not just to enjoy one's golden years in comfort, but also to make impactful contributions to family, society, or philanthropic endeavors. By building a more substantial legacy, one can ensure that their influence, wisdom, and values are passed on to succeeding generations, cementing their place in history and the lives of those they touch. The cyclical symphony, health and wealth in tandem. The relationship between health and wealth isn't linear but cyclical. Here's an illustrative example. A child from an affluent background gets a robust education, including exposure to sports and a balanced diet. This foundation ensures that the child grows into a healthy adult, landing a high-paying job due to both education and consistent performance enabled by good health. This adult can then afford the same, if not better, facilities and opportunities for their offspring, continuing the cycle. Conversely, consider a child from a less privileged background. They might face nutritional challenges, limited educational opportunities, and a potentially stressful environment. These factors might lead to compromised health in adulthood, limiting their earning potential and perpetuating the cycle of limited wealth and health for their descendants. The entwined relationship between health and wealth serves as a mirror to the complexities of modern society. It underscores the necessity of viewing well-being holistically. For nations and communities, this means investments in public health and education can yield dividends not just in the form of a healthier populace, but also a wealthier one. For individuals, it serves as a reminder that pursuing wealth shouldn't come at the cost of health. After all, the richest person is not the one with the most assets, but the one who enjoys the best of both worlds, a sound body and mind, complemented by financial freedom. If video information is profitable, so like the video and subscribe to the channel. Share your thoughts in comment section. Thanks.